Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, I will explain to you about language learning assessment. For the first is concept, function, objective, object, tools, and procedure of evaluation. Learning evaluation function is the evaluation function into two types, namely the formative and summative function, for the importance and development of the learning system. As you know, learning as a system has various components, such as goals, materials, methods, media, learning resources, environment, teacher, and participant. In UUD number 2003, Chapter 1, Article 1, Paragraph 2 and 20 and 2 explain that accreditation is an active of assessing the feasibility of a program in an education unit based on predetermined criteria. 7. Evaluation function. Psychologically, sociologically, knowing the learner position in the group, dissection methodologically, the level of readiness of learning in their education program. Help teachers in providing guidance and selection, both in the context of determining the types of education measure and grades promotion. And now for objective of evaluation. The objective of evaluation learning evaluation is to determine the effectiveness and efficiency of the learning system, encompassing objective contents, methods, media, learning resources, environment, and the assessment system itself. The object of target of evaluation is the focal point of the evaluation process. An evaluation object can be anything determined by the evaluator or assessor as the subject of their research. Element of evaluation. In a general sense, a tool is something that can be used to make it easier for someone to carry out a task and achieve a goals more effectively and efficiently. The word tools can also be called an instrument. Thus, the evaluation tool is also known as the evaluation instrument. The technique is rating scale. Scale describes a value in the form of a number to something the result of consideration. Questionnaire. Questionnaire is a list of questions that checklist. A checklist is a series of questions where the respondent being evaluated only adds a mark. Interview is a method used to obtain answer from respondent with one-sided question and answer. Test technique. Pretest. A pretest is a test conducted by a teacher to investigate a specific topic or based on diagnosis test. A diagnosis test is a test used to determine a student's strengths and weakness when learning something. Pre-question test. A test conducted by a teacher to assess student mastery of the material. And now is Bloom taxonomy rules and production in a construction a test. The first is remembering, the second is comprehension, the third is applying, the fourth is stabilizing, and fifth is evaluating, and sixth is creating. Produced in constructing a test. The first, determining a learning object. The second, determining the learning objective you want to achieve. The third is determine the realms of intellectual abilities according to learning competencies. The fourth is use appropriate keywords. The fifth is determine appropriate learning media. Application Bloom's taxonomy rules of constructing tests. Before we understand a concept, we must remember it first. Before we apply it, we must understand it first. Definition of test. Test is a tool or method used to assess student understanding, knowledge, abilities, or skill in a particular subject or topic of learning. Tests can take the form of written tests, oral tests, participant tests, or combination of several types of tests. Judging for the form of the student answer. Based on the form of student response, tests are divided into written tests, are a method of evaluation in which students are required to answer questions or complete written tasks using their own writing. There are two main types of writing tests. The first is subjective test. The second is objective test. The second is oral test is an evaluation method in which students are asked to answer questions directly and verbally in front of examiner or in a recording. The third is performance tests are a type of assessment that requires students to carry out specific tasks of artifice as proof of their competence in a field of subject matter. Based on the number of participant tests are divided into two. The first is individual tests. Individual tests are a type of assessment that is carried out one-on-one between the examiner and the test taker. Group test. Group testing is in which a group of students in a session together in one assessment session or as activity. The rules of writing multiple choice items focus on several aspects, namely material construction. Material. The first question must be in accordance with the indicator. The second, answer choice should be homogeneous and logical. The third is each question must have one correct answer. B. Construction. The first is figure, graphs, tables, diagram, and the length contained in the question must be clear and functional. The second, the essence of the question must be formulated clearly. The third is the subject matter does not contain statements that are double negative. The fourth is answer choices solve the language. The first, each question must be used in accordance with Indonesian language rules. The second, do not use local language. The third, question and answer choices must be formulated clearly. Essay question is a type of a question that requires students to recall and organize ideas or concepts they have learned by experiencing them in written form. Essay questions are divided into two types. Objective essay. Their questions require a set of answers with specific meanings or concepts allowing for adjective scoring. Non-adjective essay. The question demands a set of answers based on individual opinions or interpretations of concepts. Scoring. In the process of meaning tests result from student work into a number which are converted into a score through a specific process. The use of symbols express their score is matched with numbers such as number with a range of 1 till 10, 1 till 1000, or 1 till 4, and someone use the letter A, B, C, D, and E. Test an item validity and reliability. Ari Kuno stated that question analysis is a systematic product which will provide very specific information regarding the test item that we prepare. Item analysis, according Nana Sujana, is the process of analyzing test questions to produce a set of high-quality questions suitable to determine whether a question is functional or not. Question analysis is also done. There are two main methods for conducting analysis: qualitative analysis, known as qualitative, and qualitative of analyzing purpose of the item analysis. According to Turdick and Hart, In the journal analysis of multiple choice question from linguistic aspect, the following is the goals of items analysis. The answer to the question provide diagnostic data that can be used to access the class's lesson or area of learning failure before providing guidance for improved learning. The function for creating better tests the next years is the responses and the two individual questions and the modification of question in response to the same response. Characteristics of the question. Assessing the question or the quality of a question item involves evaluating it based on several categories. Validity, display. Validity refers to how lay people respond to the format of the question item, such as the arrangement of choice in multiple choice question. Content validity to which the question item reflects the learning objective and curriculum. Okay, maybe until here. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.